If you need to automate cleanup in your CRM, this quick tutorial will show you how to delete a quote using Zoho CRM in n8n. This is a simple but powerful workflow step when you want to remove outdated, duplicate, or unnecessary quote records without doing it manually inside Zoho CRM. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more n8n automation tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open the workflow you want to work on inside n8n. You can either create a new workflow or select an existing one where you want this automation to happen. This is the starting point because everything you do next will be added directly into that workflow. Once your workflow is open, go to the Nodes panel. The Nodes panel is where you can search for and add different apps and actions into your automation. From there, choose Zoho CRM. You can usually find it by searching Zoho CRM in the Node search bar, which makes it much faster to locate the correct integration. After adding the Zoho CRM node, look through the available operations and choose Delete a Quote. This is the specific action that tells n8n you want to remove a quote record from Zoho CRM. Selecting the correct operation is important because Zoho CRM has different actions for different record types, and in this case, you want the quote deletion option. Now configure what to delete. This is where you define exactly which quote record should be removed. You may need to map in the quote ID or another identifier from a previous node, depending on how your workflow is set up. Make sure the data you provide matches the quote you actually want to delete, because once the action runs, the record will be removed from Zoho CRM. Before you finish, take a moment to double-check the configuration. Confirm that the Zoho CRM account is connected properly, that the delete action is set to delete a quote, and that the correct quote reference is being passed in. This helps prevent accidental deletions and makes sure your automation works exactly as intended. And that's it. You've now learned how to delete a quote using Zoho CRM in n8n. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more quick n8n workflow guides.